Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial component of any printer setup, the HP 63XL Black High-yield Ink Cartridge. If you're looking for professional quality documents and consistent performance, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. Original HP ink is engineered to work seamlessly with HP printers, ensuring top-notch quality, reliability, and value. The advanced technology behind this cartridge guarantees exceptional results every time you print. This cartridge is a match made in printing heaven for a wide range of HP printers. Whether you have a DeskJet, Envy, or OfficeJet model, chances are, this cartridge has got you covered. Now, let's talk numbers. With a cartridge yield of approximately 480 pages, you'll have the power to tackle projects big and small. And operating within a temperature range of 59 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit ensures consistent performance across various environments. Value matters, and original HP ink delivers. In fact, you can expect up to 2 times more prints compared to non-original HP ink cartridges. That's an advantage that adds up over time, saving you money and trips to the store. HP is committed to sustainability. A remarkable 82% of their ink cartridges are manufactured using recycled plastic, showcasing their dedication to the environment while maintaining superior quality. When you choose original HP ink and toner cartridges, you're opting for dependable performance and consistent page yields. You can trust that your documents will look outstanding, and reprints will become a thing of the past. And there you have it, folks, the HP 63XL Black High-yield Ink Cartridge. A choice that promises quality, value, and sustainability, all rolled into one. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we uncover the best in tech products to enhance your everyday life. This is Product Critique, signing off.